Do you think they enjoy feeding time? Here they come. Wow. Hi, guys. You might have an animal at 200. Here they come. Cujo, you don't need to eat that food. I think Peanut wants some. Go for the easier stuff, guys. Quick, everybody go to the bigger pile. Oh, that was just a distraction.
That's just my distraction feed, because otherwise I can't get it done.
Well, I could see that they kind of surrounded you.
Stay.
And where's the trough?
On the other side, so you can come in.
Gonna have to. Come on. All right, now that the distraction stuff is out, the real feed, you say. This is the only way you can actually make a line through the animals.
Yeah.
Oh, this is their, like, feed trough.
Yeah. So. No, you don't need to eat that.
Cujo's like, well, that's not my supper.
And there's Confused. She's gone through a heavy molt, but her feathers look great. And the funny thing about her is she now chases Beetlejuice. Hey, come here.
Guys, the food.
There's still a lot of distraction food. Here, Pink, Pink.
Nope.
They're like that little bit in that bucket we both must be in.
Instead of this endless supply that's over here. Look at them push it. It's empty, guys.
There you go. Come on, Chester. Come get some. Come get some. It's not in the bucket anymore.
Okay, they're not winning any awards for smartness. There they go. There you guys go. Lots of horns. All I can see is the horns. There we are. We're all figuring it out now. There you guys go. Feeding time at the trough. Yeah. Look at all these bodies. Oh, you got some meanies over here. Those horns are flying.
Millie
Yeah.
is mean, yes. I don't know. Some of them might end up. See, some of them are working hard.
Mm-hmm.
So when they're working hard, they need the grain, but not everybody needs the grain. But it's too hard to section them off. They break stuff. So, like Peanut, as the vet said, was perfect before. She's a little wider now.
Good. Look at that chunk. Everybody seems a little chunky. Can you just keep an eye on this thing?
You're pretty safe.
Safe is a relative term. Do you guys know that that is not dog food?
Oh, do you want to see someone super cute?
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's a little fit. It's just a little fit. Oh, it's a little fit.
Hi!
It's a little fit. Hello, baby.
He's like, you know, it's lunchtime for me too, right?
No, look at that nice
Look,
little
oh, look at him, look at the food.
fit. Get that food. You go get that food, little fit.
Almond, you be nice. I don't know why Mom fed you in there with the emu.
Because the new baby, her, is coming into season, and so Almond is refusing to allow anyone near that.
Well, but you shouldn't have had anybody in there but the birds.
Would you like to see why they're in here? Shall we go for a walk?
No, this is a feed time.
Because you can see the fence over there that's not really in.
The turkey. It's just crazy time. It's crazy town here. Feeding time. Hi, guys. What other food is there?
This is for my baby cow. She gets different food.
Where does she get fed?
She put herself to bed so she could get her grain. So, she basically would go to the house, stand in the doorway, and moo. And then that's my cue that she wants her food.